How to day trade on Webull. Download the Webull app or visit the website to create your account. Complete any necessary identity verification and funding processes. If you want to trade on margin, which is common for day trading, make sure to enable this feature in your account settings. Understand the basics, market hours and research. Explore the app's features, including charts, watch lists, and order types. Before risking real money, practice with Webull's paper trading feature to build confidence and test strategies. Look for stocks with high volatility and volume, as they're more likely to experience price swings. Use market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to set your buying/selling price. Keep an eye on your positions and market conditions throughout the trading day. Risk management. Set stop losses. Protect your capital by setting stop loss orders to limit potential losses. Position sizing. Only risk a small percentage of your total account on any single trade. After each trading day, review your trades to identify what worked and what didn't. Thanks for watching.